Are you ready? Coming June 7th at your local library. Curious Creatures will be arriving at the King County Library System for the summer reading program. Join us June 7th to August 31st for our all-new reading program, Curious Creatures. Starting June 7th, sign up online or at your local library. Pick up your Curious Creature welcome kit. Complete your reading goals to win prizes. Enjoy events at your local library all summer long. Summer reading participants will receive a free limited edition starter Curious Creature welcome kit with a free book to keep a spark in your imagination, a Red Robin Books for Burgers coupon, and more surprises. And readers who complete their summer reading goals will get prizes like a Curious Creature stadium badge or tickets to a Seattle Storm game and be entered into a drawing for a Kobo Clear Color e-reader and other special prizes. Details at kcls.org/summer.